And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little video tour this morning of this 2020 Chaparral 298. Beautiful floor plan, great little model, nice and lightweight. Going to start off here with the front cap, TPO design front cap, tight turn technology. We've got the metal front compartment for storing those heavier items, portable solar panel compatible, ready to go with solar. Follow me around the side. LED lighting in the front. We've got a nice long electric awning with LED lighting behind the awning. Outdoor speakers with a spot to hook up another television to the outside if you want. It's got a TV in the back as well, and I'll show you that later. Hookups inside there for that television. Coming inside the coach, we've got a wind-resistant door. We've got the nice solid steps coming in with the large grab handle. Immediately you'll notice as you walk into the coach, all of your controls are conveniently located right here in the front of the coach. Coming towards the back, we've got our nice large couch that does trifold bed, large TV with a nice fireplace that works as a heater. DVD, CD player, stereo surround system, lots of cabinetry. You've got your theater seating with heat and massage electric, 4-door refrigerator, large oven with the new style range, microwave, nice bank of drawers, a pantry, and you've got a hutch setup here. Again, with more cabinetry, more drawers, a nice spot to put the coffee pot or blender, USB ports for charging. Coming up into the hallway here, we've got a nice walk-in shower, porcelain toilet with plenty of spots to put toiletry items, towels, etc. A nice bowl sink with a medicine cabinet. Into the bedroom area, we've got a queen bed, nice front large closet, washer dryer compatible, all LED lighting throughout the coach, 2 air conditioners, and a spot to add another television with a 4-drawer setup, dresser drawer setup here. Let's go back to the outside. We've got on the outside here, we've got a 50-inch television, we've got a cooktop, a sink, a nice outdoor entertainment area. Coming to the back of the coach, we've got a receiver here to allow you to put either a rack on the back or bicycle racks, a ladder going to the roof. It's a full walkable roof, backup camera ready. And coming to the side, we've got nice mag wheels. The tires come with up to 5-year warranty on those tires, by the way. Dexter axles, American made. Large capacity water heater, battery disconnect, your docking station, everything is conveniently located in one spot. And yes, you have a fully automatic leveling system for the coach. This is a great coach. It's just about 33 foot total, lightweight. If you have any questions on this coach or any other, feel free to contact me directly at 541-968-6010 or ron.mcgowan@guaranty.com. Thank you and have a great day.